Hey everyone, my name is Naasik and today I will show you how to turn your smartphone into a high quality webcam for your PC. First, grab your smartphone and download the Iriun Webcam app from the Play Store. Before we connect, we need to enable USB debugging on your phone. To do this, go to your phone setting, find developer option and turn on USB debugging. Now, use a USB cable to connect your phone to your PC. On your PC, visit the Iriun website and download the Iriun Webcam software. Once the download is complete, install it by following the on-screen instruction. Now, open the Iriun app on both your smartphone and PC. If everything is connected properly, your phone's camera should automatically appear as a webcam on your computer. Want to use it for Zoom? Open Zoom, go to Settings, Video, and select Iriun Webcam on your camera source. Let's try start a Zoom meeting. And there you go. Your phone is now working as fully functional webcam for your PC. That's it. In just a few steps, you have turned your smartphone into a webcam and no need to buy extra gear. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome.